Deep within Andhra Pradesh, a creature of mystery has emerged, the elusive civet cat. These rare animals, with their distinctive markings and nocturnal habits, have long been shrouded in intrigue. The recent sighting of a civet in this region has sparked excitement and curiosity. Join us as we explore the civet cat's unique characteristics, habitat, and the importance of their conservation. The civet cat, with its sleek body and bandit-like mask, has long fascinated humans, often appearing in folklore. As we encroach further into their habitats, it is crucial that we prioritize their conservation. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. To understand the civet cat, we must trace its lineage back to the Vivaridae family. This diverse group of carnivores includes genets, oyans, and linsangs, all sharing a common ancestor with the civet. Within the Vivaridae family, the civet cat finds itself among approximately 15 to 20 distinct species. These animals, spread across Africa, southern Europe, and Asia, showcase remarkable adaptability to various habitats. The recent sighting of a civet cat near Tadepalli in Andhra Pradesh has caused a stir among wildlife enthusiasts. This unusual sighting raises questions about the animal's movements and the factors that led it to this location. Was it driven by a search for food or disturbances in its natural habitat? Back in 2021, another civet, likely displaced by heavy rains, sought refuge in Vijayawada's Brundavan colony. These sightings underscore the challenges faced by civets in a rapidly changing world. Imagine a creature cloaked in an intricate tapestry of spots and stripes, each pattern unique and mesmerizing. The civet cat's coat is not just a protective layer, but a work of art, a testament to nature's creativity. This natural camouflage allows it to blend seamlessly into its surroundings, making it a master of stealth in the dense foliage of its habitat. The civet cat's beauty lies in the subtle artistry of its markings, which can vary greatly from one individual to another. These markings are not just for show, they play a crucial role in the animal's survival. Picture a sleek, elongated body with shorter legs, designed for agility and stealth. This unique body structure allows the civet cat to move with a grace that is both captivating and efficient. Its low-slung appearance is perfect for creeping through the grass, staying hidden from both predators and prey. The fur of the civet cat is typically a blend of buff, grayish, or reddish-brown, providing a perfect backdrop for its striking black spots or stripes. This coloration helps it to remain inconspicuous in its natural environment. These black spots or stripes are not random. They are carefully arranged to break up the outline of the animal's body, making it harder for predators to spot. The civet cat also possesses a thick, bushy tail, which it often holds aloft as it moves through the undergrowth. This tail is not just for balance, it also serves as a signal to other civets. As the civet navigates through dense vegetation, its elevated tail can help it communicate with others, signaling its presence or intentions. The face of the civet cat is perhaps its most striking feature, adorned with distinctive black mask-like markings around the eyes. These markings give the civet an air of mystery and intelligence. These expressive eyes, framed by the mask-like markings, convey a sense of mischief and alertness, making the civet cat a truly captivating creature to observe. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Venture into the heart of a tropical rainforest, where the air hangs heavy with humidity, and the dense canopy above filters the sunlight into a mosaic of green hues. This is a world teeming with life, where every layer of the forest, from the forest floor to the treetops, is bustling with activity. The symphony of the jungle reaches a crescendo, with the calls of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the distant roar of a waterfall creating a mesmerizing soundscape. This vibrant ecosystem is home to countless species, each playing a unique role in the intricate web of life. Here, amidst the towering trees and dense undergrowth, you might catch a glimpse of a civet cat. These nocturnal creatures are masters of stealth, moving silently through the forest, their keen senses alert to every sound and movement. These elusive creatures have made their homes in a variety of habitats across the globe. From the lush rainforests of Southeast Asia to the savannas of Africa, civet cats have adapted to a wide range of environments, showcasing their remarkable versatility. In India, civet cats are found in ecosystems ranging from the evergreen forests of the Western Ghats to the Himalayan foothills. Each region offers a unique set of challenges and opportunities, and the civet cat has evolved to thrive in these diverse landscapes. They are particularly fond of areas with dense vegetation, providing ample cover from predators and a wealth of food sources. The thick foliage offers the perfect camouflage, allowing them to remain hidden from both predators and prey. The forest is a veritable buffet for the civet cat, with an abundance of fruits, small animals, and insects to feast on. Their diet is highly varied, reflecting the rich biodiversity of their habitats. As darkness descends, the civet cat awakens, ready to embark on its nightly foraging expeditions. Under the cover of night, they navigate their territory with ease, their nocturnal habits giving them an edge in the competitive world of the jungle. The night is their domain, a time when they can hunt, explore, and thrive in the shadows. Imagine a creature with a palate as diverse as the rainforest itself, savoring the sweetness of ripe fruit. The civet cat, with its keen sense of smell and taste, navigates the dense foliage, seeking out the juiciest and most succulent fruits. Its diet is a testament to the abundance and variety of the rainforest, where every meal is a new adventure. One moment, it relishes the sugary burst of a ripe berry, and the next, it crunches down on a protein-rich insect, showcasing its adaptability and resourcefulness. The civet cat's ability to switch between such different food sources is a remarkable survival strategy in the ever-changing environment of the rainforest. This is the civet cat, a true omnivore whose diet reflects the bounty of its surroundings. It roams the forest floor and climbs trees with equal ease, always on the lookout for its next meal. The civet cat's diverse diet is not just a reflection of its environment, but also a crucial part of the ecosystem's balance. While primarily frugivorous, civet cats are opportunistic feeders, willing to supplement their diet with whatever the forest provides. From fruits and berries to small animals and insects, nothing is off the menu for these adaptable creatures. This opportunistic feeding behavior ensures that they can thrive even when certain food sources are scarce. Their love for fruits plays a crucial role in seed dispersal, contributing to the health and diversity of the forest. As they consume fruits and later excrete the seeds, they help in the propagation of various plant species, ensuring the continuous growth and regeneration of the forest. These adaptable creatures also consume a variety of insects, which provide essential proteins and nutrients. Insects like beetles, grubs, and caterpillars are a significant part of their diet, especially when fruits are not in season. Small mammals, reptiles, amphibians, and even carrion are also on the menu. This wide range of dietary options allows the civet cat to survive in various habitats and conditions, making it one of the most versatile feeders in the animal kingdom. Their sharp teeth and strong jaws make quick work of beetles, grubs, and other invertebrates. These physical adaptations are essential for their survival, allowing them to efficiently process a wide range of foods. The civet cat's diverse palate is a marvel of nature, showcasing the incredible adaptability and resilience of this remarkable creature. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Many species of civet cats are facing an uncertain future. The Malabar large-spotted civet, found only in the Western Ghats of India, is listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. Habitat loss due to deforestation and encroachment poses a significant threat to civet populations. As their natural homes shrink, these shy creatures are forced into closer contact with humans, leading to conflict. The plight of the civet cat serves as a stark reminder of our interconnectedness with the natural world. It is our responsibility to protect the remaining populations of civets and ensure their survival. As we reach the end of our journey into the world of the civet cat, we are left with a sense of wonder and a desire to learn more. What is it about these shy, nocturnal animals that captures our imagination? Perhaps it is their air of mystery, their ability to thrive in the shadows. We are left with questions, eager to unravel the secrets that these creatures hold close. What can we do to ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come? As we conclude our exploration of the civet cat, we are left with a profound sense of responsibility. These elusive creatures are facing an uncertain future. The threats they face, from habitat loss to human-wildlife conflict, demand our immediate attention. We must act now to protect these remarkable creatures. This is a collective responsibility that falls upon each and every one of us. Let us work together to create a world where the civet cat can thrive. The future of the civet cat depends on the choices we make today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia for more amazing content.